to Drama TV. This morning we'll be looking at top trends on social media and what's happening on the front page of today's newspapers. Hashtag Back to School is trending today as thousands of South African children make their way to their first day of school, many of whom are in their first grade. Proud parents are posting pictures of their children in their school uniform. This morning on the front page of the Star newspaper, in a headline titled Leave Matrics in Class, they look at how 100,000 children are returning to school today. However, the ongoing Fees Must Fall campaign is continuing to cast a dark cloud on the country's education system. On the front page of The Citizen today, in a headline titled Killings Rip Town, 4 farmers appeared in court yesterday after allegedly attacking 2 criminals. Members of the ANC and the EFF were camped outside the court, singing racially derogatory songs. This morning on the cover of the Business Day, in a headline titled Factory Sector on the Cusp of Recession, they predict that the South African manufacturing sector is on the edge of a recession. Output shrank for the second time in a row, and they say the manufacturing sector and the mining sector could experience job losses.